Hi, today I will show you how you can connect your cameras on your Oval AI Hub. Before we begin, make sure your camera is already set up and connected to the same network as Oval AI Hub through its native app, for example, the RealLink or ONVIF app. Once it's live on the iNetwork, our Oval app can detect and integrate it automatically. Moving forward towards the app, we'll tap on the Smart Device screen button. Then we will tap on the Device section and tap on Plus button. You can see different devices here. We will go to the More Devices, and we will tap on the ONVIF. Name the device. You can see we have two locations for the camera. I will select as indoor. You can change the rooms. I will select the storeroom. Host and port are fetched automatically. And we will use the same password here and username, which was used in its app. The device is added successfully. We will go to the dashboard here. You can see on your camera, the camera is streaming. You can make it as a full screen view. And then you can change the settings. The camera name can be changed from here. Notification settings can be changed from here. The protected zone can be created from here for the camera. Camera controls can be controlled from here. Some date and time and reboot can be done from here. Camera can be moved to another room from here as well. And you can remove the camera from here. That's it. Thank you.